Okay, so first things first, this entire process is going to take time. Get it very clear. 2 years time. No, I'm not saying you will have to stay back home locked up for the next 2 years. But in that case, safety, security, minimum for the next 6 months, even after the lockdown stops, and then the entire process to wrap up, it will take at least 2 years time, firstly. Secondly, in between, lot of health wise shifting happening along with the planetary shifts, along with the uh, frequency shift. First thing, health wise, um, affecting is the sleep pattern. In my case, it's been 2 weeks now I'm unable to sleep. I usually have this beautiful routine that we sleep by 8. We wake up, if it's too early, then 4:30, 5 max. Else sometimes, yes, 6. But in this last 2 weeks, it was absolutely different. I thought I'm in PMS, but I'm not. My PMS is about to start. So this is absolutely with the frequency shift. During my meditation, what I've got is the entire thing that is actually happening right now is due to the increase of the too much dark energies around. See, people are driving outside. There are a lot of cars. Okay. So, due to the increase of too much dark energies, this is what we are facing right now. However, I would request, it is not my business, not your business, to point or judge anyone. I'm not going to go downstairs and ask somebody to stop their car and go back home. I'm not going to do that. I will make sure I'm safe. I will make sure my daughter, my family, my parents in Kolkata, they are safe, right? So, our priority right now is to look after our health, because the body is changing with the frequency. It is trying to adjust. If you can't sleep at night, make sure you help yourself. Do not put headphones and start watching movies. You are making more miserable. You are making yourself more difficult. You know, it's a disaster. Don't do that. Instead, try to read some self-care, self-development, or something good books, or listen to any of the motivational speaker whom you are connected or guided. Else, you just listen to a soft music. I never watch movies at night. I have a separate time to watch. In the late afternoon, sometimes three of us sit and watch. We never use the phone before sleeping. We never. If I have something very informative to share with you, that I always make sure I do before sleeping, but at least 1 hour before sleeping, no. I again do the meditation, I keep my phone aside and I sleep. Okay, first thing first, that is sleep pattern. Help yourself calm down and rest more, get enough sleep. And in the morning, no matter what, even if you are sleeping at 2, I am making sure, even if I am sleeping at 2, I am waking up by 6:30, max to max. Because if you are waking up around 10:30, trust me, you feel extremely lazy, you feel fatigued, you feel like and then caffeine intake. No, that's not the solution. Don't do that. Don't do. The next one is body pain. It's natural. This will happen, and along with this shift, the way the pain is coming, it will go by itself. Okay, drink a lot of water, and eat a lot of green. If not you are getting lot of green, lot of fruits, at least dal or chawal, that is okay. I would suggest avoid non-vegetarian, because this frequency, this entire shift going to affect your digestive system. Stomach upset हो सकता है. So try to avoid eating non-veg at the moment. Okay, the other thing is, okay, anxiety level. If you can't express yourself, it is better don't you try to do. Don't get into arguments. Separate yourself from the family member. If there is no extra room, you're saying, it's totally fine. Just go to your bed and lie down, have a glass of water. Yes, sit first. Don't drink your water standing. You are drinking a lot of tension. So sit, have your water slowly, calm down for some time, help yourself calm down, because this anxiety level, everything will come up, because it's entirely this ascension period. This entire thing is a filtration, right? So all the negativity will come up and we'll throw it away. Okay, headaches. Ugh. Migraine. Oh my god. Recently I had this migraine attack again. So in between I had taken like 5 painkiller of whatever my doctor has prescribed me, and whenever I take my medicine I feel like I'm in hell, because my entire body starts shaking and I feel extremely weak, vomiting, and I feel I'm actually in hell. So this time what I did, I looked for help through yoga, then through acupressure, and I have got a magical result, trust me. So this is what I did is, these are the very effective, very useful points. Okay, this fingertips. So press it for 11 times, each finger for 11 times, and here separate 11 times here, 11 times here, 11 times here, and at the center 11 times. Right, both the hands and feet same, center and finger points 11 times, right? And here press it for 11 times with the second last finger and this thumb here for 11 times, and here top of your head for 11 times. Once you are done with this, do pranayam, the proper breathing technique. Breathing from your left, hold it, release from the right, and then again from the right and release from the left, and continue doing this for 30 times. And trust me, that day I have repeated the entire process in like 1 hour. And usually what happens in migraine, the pain stays for 3 to 4 days, and it is very bad. It's so amazing. I don't even remember that I've got the pain after that day. I don't even remember that I even got the pain back. It was so amazing, so effective. You must do it. And I will put a link so that you can follow the migraine yoga. That is extremely powerful and helpful. Please follow that in the morning, and make sure you do the entire process each day in the morning, so that you don't get that pain back in your life. That is what actually I am following. I have made myself a priority. If I am fine, I am able to look after my family, my friends, my neighbors. The other will fall into place. First and foremost is make yourself a priority now. Here we go with a very important message, that is, the karmas are following. In each and every life we have done good or bad karmas, right? We all know that. And they follow back. We all know that. So, here my point is, during this shift, the bad karmas will be very, very, very badly affected. In a cage, for example, there are 3 people with bad karma and 1 with average bad karma. Okay, the average bad karma person will survive because somehow this person is good, and at the same time, again, why he will survive? If he is setting his intentions that I'm going to do something good now, it was a mistake, so he is giving himself a chance to move on. I'm telling you very frankly, to be very honest, it's not the time to show your sympathy or being too attached or showing your anger towards anybody, be it your family member, your friend, or any kind of community or religion. It is not the time to focus on somebody else's business. It's our job is to understand our priority now. I'm telling you repeatedly this. Believe me, we cannot go back. We cannot go back. We cannot erase anything at the moment. If we have messed up, we will have to go through it. But if you have the intention and you know you have messed up, not in your past life, I'm talking about this life only, then please understand your present goodwill, good intentions are the ones which will attract a healthy future for you and your family. I hope you're getting it. So please practice more being in the present. Humanity, love and compassion is something natural. We don't have to act. We don't have to fake. It is natural. You watch the news, you take all the updates, whatever necessary updates, but don't bring any garbage at your home, in your head. This is not the time to gossip. I may sound rude today, but I really want to speak up because I don't really care. I don't care anymore. If I am good, I'm going to get the good. If I am bad, I'm going to suffer. That's it. Very straight and simple. So, please take care of yourself. Please make yourself a priority. Your health, whatever up and down going, is something absolutely natural, nothing abnormal. Sleep pattern, body pain, headaches, head spinning, pressure fluctuating, or whatever, anxiety or whatever, it is just in the process. Don't get into any arguments, don't get yourself into trouble. Yeah, it is time to just sit and be here in the present. Forget about success, money. हम बचेंगे तो सब मिलेगा, और बचने के लिए our own mind, body and soul is very important. To live life, our mind, body, soul balancing is very, very, very important. Respect your body, respect yourself. People will automatically going to respect you. Please take care. Lots of divine love and blessings.